hopefully you came up with C and B for A and B. Let's talk about parts. So we have C and B. Again, when you take the derivative and you end up with the derivative is just 1, the value of the derivative at any x value is just going to be that constant of 1. Again, here you have to find the derivative term by term, which is right here, and then plug -1 in. Now this is asking at what point of the graph is 1/2 x squared is the tangent line parallel to 2x minus 4y equals 3. So we were looking for where exactly is it, we know tangent lines have the same slope. So again, we need to find the slope of this line. So -4y is equal to -2x plus 3, divide by -4, so y is equal to 1/2 x minus 3/4. So again, I know the slope of this line is 1/2. Again, I'm finding the tangent line to y equals 1/2 x squared. So I need to find the derivative and then set it equal to 1/2. So what I'm going to do, so I need to now find the derivative of y. So y is equal to, again, using your power rule, it's going to be 2 times 1/2 x to the first. So again, I end up with my y prime is equal to x. So again, I know that the slope of the tangent line, y prime, is going to be equal to 1/2. So now it's asking me about a point. So again, my slope is 1/2. So what I need to do then is I have to plug in 1/2 into my y equals. So when I plug 1/2 in, so y is equal to 1/2 times 1/2 squared, that gives me 1/8. So when x is 1/2, y will be 1/8. Because again, I found my derivative to be y prime of x. I want the derivative to be 1/2, so I have to set the derivative equal to 1/2. So y prime is 1/2. Okay? So which of the following is the equation of the tangent line to the graph f of x equals x to the 4th plus 2x squared at the point where f prime of x equals 1? Okay? Again, equation of a tangent line. You find the equation of a tangent line by finding the derivative to find the slope. That gives me 4x to the 3rd plus 4x. So again, this is asking me to figure out, now they're giving me a y value instead of an x value. So this is actually the value of your derivative. So I need to take f prime and set it equal to 1. And this is where you can graph on your calculator, graph this under y1, graph this under y2 to help you find the point of intersection. I'll go to my y equals, type in 1, type in 4x to the 3rd plus 4x, find where they intersect. So they're going to intersect when x is equal to 0.237. So this is where this is the x value. So again, remember, I know the slope is 1. I have to figure out the point in order to write the equation of the tangent line. Well, now I know the x value. The x value is 0.237. I have to find the y value by plugging it back into your original f of x. So 0.237 raised to the 4th plus 0.237, oops, clear that out, 0.237 raised to the 4th plus 2 times 0.237 squared. So 0.115.